Disruption is about that in an industry, the dynamics and the competitive power between different actors and players is completely changing, and that ultimately some of the parties will disappear. So it's massively different than a whole transition of an industry where you see that all players are making a kind of shift in radically improving their products and their services. So ultimately that means that manufacturers in the industry will either be heavily commoditized and being pushed down into the food chain, or that they will suffer that much that they just disappear from the market. Or, if we look at the positive side, is that they will find a new business model, a new value proposition, a new position into the whole value chain, and that they actually thrive in the future.